Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to introduce you into Google Keep application. So Google Keep application is the product of Google, and the function is just similar with the Notes, but then the one that makes this application outstanding is the data or the document of this will be saved into your Google Drive so that you can access the list or the notes everywhere and every devices. You just need internet connection and your Google account so you can get the Google Keep data on it. So here you just need to click it and make sure that you already installed this application on your phone and logged in with your Google account. And the next, you just need to tap into this plus button, and there could be a title and note here, and there could be also some features that you can use. Click this plus button here. They could be facilitate about attaching several media such as image as well as the live photo, or you can also do the drawing if you want. So you can just start drawing into the notes right here. And the other one could be the recording. You can also record your voice here if you want to create some daily activity to keep. And right after that, you just need to go back. So you can also archive in it, or you can also send this with Google Drive application. So that's for the overview of Google Keep today. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other video.